In this video, we're going to be looking at the new Align Piece tool. This replaces the existing Align Piece to Origin tool from previous versions of Freeform. It keeps all of the same functionality and extends it with some additional features that make it more useful and more similar to traditional CAD applications in terms of aligning objects. It's found in the same location, and you will notice that the Dynabar has changed. We now have modes, and the first one is Align to Global. This is the original mode. Your active piece is going to be the piece that is moving. You can select any type of object for alignment, such as planes, curves, annotation points. And you get the preview around the global origin. You can create your pair, and of course, create additional constraint pairs in order to refine your alignment. And this is the same workflow that has been used in the past. The second mode is Align Selected Pieces. This uses the match functionality. So, when you have a different piece, such as this bracket over here, and you want to align the origins of two objects, your active piece is going to align to the local origin of the selected piece. So I will select a different piece in the object list and click Match. As you can see, it moved, but these were not built in the same orientation, which is why the local origins match, but they do not line up. The new mode for this release is now Align to Objects. This gives you more freedom because you are not constrained to aligning to the world origin. The active piece, or the active group, depending on what you're trying to do, becomes the moving object, and your target is any other piece or objects in the scene, and you can align them. This allows you to do things like mating or a variety of other things that were not capable in previous versions of Freeform. For this case, I'm actually going to show with the grouping functionality. So our source is going to be this bracket. So I want to activate the alignment piece for the bracket and select the folder. This means that I'm going to be moving every single piece inside this group. What I want to do is I want to attach this bracket or mate this to this surface over here, and I want to also align it with holes on this piece. We do have some geometry or some objects that are already defined. So if I hide this, we have a plane, and we do have axis markers for the inside of the holes. We have rotational fit curves for the posts, and we have planes for mating. So, again, making sure that inside my moving group I have an active piece. I select my group. The source is selected, so I will click my plane, choose target, and here I will pick that plane and add my pair. Making sure that my selection is still valid, I select the curve for the post, change my target, select the curve for the inside of the receiving side, and click Add Pair, and repeat that one more time. Nope. I want that, and target, and Add Pair. And you can see this is not aligned to the world origin, but this is mated and aligned using reference curves and planes.